Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elam. So in this video I'm going to reveal to you guys what I discovered while buying and eating a mackerel fish. So we are going to be looking at frozen mackerel fish, dried or grilled mackerel fish, and then the one they said is fresh mackerel fish, which I got from this shop, this particular shop I'm filming. It's a shop, they call it Fish Market, where they sell mostly fresh fish. Okay, they also have frozen ones that are in the fridge, but all these ones you're seeing displayed here, they said they are all fresh fish. Okay, so but with this mackerel we are going to discover something. Okay, then the grilled one I got from this is a different shop, an African shop that sells African food stuff. So this is another shop where I got this grilled mackerel fish as well. So let's start. Okay, so with this one you're seeing is the frozen mackerel fish. Okay, you can see this one is packaged, labeled, and sealed. Okay, so this is the way they package the frozen mackerel fish. So I'm just going to open it, and then if you look at this fish, it looks good, nothing suspicious about it. You understand? You can see how it's looking. But then again, just use your knife, try to open the skin. Okay, because I've done this before, I discovered it, and that's why I decided to film it. Now see what I'm peeling off. Just watch and see what I'm peeling off from the skin of the mackerel fish. Look at it. Just watch. This is the first set. Just watch. You see? Look at this. Is this plastic or something that is so strong that you can't even cut it? I drag and drag and drag. You can't even cut it. Now look at the skin of the fish. Look at the side I peeled off. Have a very good look at it.
Shiny state, how shiny. This is the true color, the true body of mackerel fish. Okay? But you see this side, that this but I don't know if I should call this plastic or something. I don't know. See that here and here are not the same. You see that? So now I have to peel all this out. I have to peel off all this. You see that? You see it? You see it? See, they cover it even to the head. I'm not going to bother myself about this head area. I'll just cut off the head and throw it away. See? I don't know if this is the preservative or something. I don't know what to call this, honestly. See? You see? They covered it to the head. You see that? But why? Why are they wrapping it like that? Why can't they just throw it in the freezer and freeze it?
Okay, so now, like I said, I'm just going to cut off the head and throw it away. Then I will do the same to the other two. Okay, I'm not going to waste so much of your time with all of that. Then we'll move to the grilled one. Okay, but quickly guys, before we go to the grilled and the fresh one, something came to my mind. I decided to look at the date on this frozen one to see maybe the fish has gone bad. That's why. So I looked at it. So what is here, although this is paper, water has soaked it, so some part of it has peeled off, but I'm seeing something July 2025. Okay, so the fish is still good. And again, this is not the first time. Like I said, the first time I discovered it, I was like, okay, maybe it's because of where I bought it from. I decided that next time I won't go to that shop again. And since then, I've gone to 3 different shops, bought frozen fish. Is the same thing. So that's why I decided to record it. Okay. And also buy the fresh one, the one they said is fresh one, to compare. Okay. And also buy the grilled one to do the comparison and then see which one is good. So let's continue.
And again, There is no instruction on this label telling people to peel off the is it the preservative or whatever protection before eating. There's no such information on this label. So, and that makes it more dangerous. How can people be consuming this rubber? How can people be eating this? It's not good now. It's not safe. You see, this is what someone would have consumed. Rubber. Tell me, how can this thing be in human being? How can somebody consume this thing and you think it will not have any effect on you? This rubber. It's not good now. Okay, guys. So for another 2 sets of mackerel fish, I'll show you guys. This is the roasted mackerel fish. Sure, you guys saw when I bought it. So I'm going to show you guys another thing, which I think is dangerous. It's not healthy. So this fish is the same as the first one we shared. Now let me open it. Okay, I'll just debone it later as I want. Yeah, but this is where the problem is. You see, can you hear the sound? I'll just remove all the flesh and then show you guys what I want to show you. Now this is the skin, right? Now the problem is that this thing, you can hear the sound, is so strong that sometimes, you see, it's so strong that you find it difficult to tear it. It's so strong. You see, I don't know. You see the problem? You see the problem? So some people, they'll just cook the flesh with all this and eat. That's what I'm saying. So to me, I think we are not supposed to be eating this. Please, if you know the reason why this is so, please let me know in the comment section, because I don't understand why the skin should be this hard, this tough to tear, which I've never experienced. So I'll keep this aside, like I will take care of it later. I'm just trying to show you guys. Then this one, so you also saw when I bought this one. This one is the fresh mackerel fish. So I'm going to check the skin if this one too, they said is fresh, because there is nothing is supposed to cover this one.
Yeah, so this one they said is fresh. I'm also going to open the skin to see if it's really fresh or the same thing as the frozen one. And mind you, this one is more expensive. This one they sell 2 for £5, but the frozen one 3 for £5. And taking a closer look at this, I think this one might also have a covering, because the body is not as shiny as when that covering is peeled off. So let's start and see, okay, if we find anything.
You see what I said? You see, it is the same thing. You see it? You see it? Or could this be, you see, as you're pulling itself, is kind of pulling the flesh of the fish. You see it? So guys, please let me know, is this how the skin of mackerel fish supposed to be? You see it? It's the same thing as the frozen one. So why are they saying that it is fresh? Is it because they didn't put it in the freezer? Because the other one you take from their freezer, but this one they put it in that open, like fresh fish from the sea or something, or from wherever. But you can see clearly now that it's the same thing as the frozen one. You see it? It's the same thing as the frozen one. So why are they saying that it is fresh?
Okay, guys, so I'll continue with the voiceover because baby is at the background making some noise, and again with the cartoon that is playing on the TV, I don't want any YouTube copyright issues. Okay, you guys know I'm still trying to make it on this YouTube street. So back to the fish, you can see that clearly this in quote fresh mackerel fish is the same as the one in the freezer. It's the same as the frozen one. I don't want to believe that what they do is they bring out from the freezer, it kind of defrozes a bit. They put it out here in the name of fresh fish and be selling it at different price. Let me not believe that anyway. Let me not believe that that's what they are doing. But guys, please let me know in the comment section. Naturally, is there something that covers the skin of mackerel fish, or this is just a preservative or something? So, but if it's a preservative with the one from the freezer, the frozen one, I can understand. But this one, they said is fresh, that's supposed to be from the sea or wherever. Yeah. Why are they also covering it? Why is it also being preserved? I don't know. Is it that so that it doesn't go bad if they don't finish selling them on time? Maybe I need to learn as well. So that's why I said, please, whatever you know, please put it in the comment section. I also want to learn. And again, looking at this fish, you see how it's so soft. It's just disintegrating. I think the one from the freezer is even a bit stronger. But this so-called fresh one, it's just so soft and keeps breaking here and there. Anyways, guys, I just want to share what I discovered with you guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you learned something from it. Please, if you did, like it, share, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next one. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.